Research is essential in Palmon Survival. But not all research is created equal. Some upgrades are essential, while others can wait. Welcome back to Meta Instincts. In today's video, we'll break down the entire research system in Palmon Survival and share our recommendations to help you progress faster and more efficiently. Development. This tree contains many essential upgrades in the game that boost your research, building, training, and healing speed. The research is cheap and fast, which you should never skip. For example, the research speed boost can reduce your research time from 6 days down to 5, and that's not even fully maxed out yet. You'll immediately notice the difference in your overall progress. Development research also unlocks and enhances your camp orders, which can supercharge your progress even more. Take Instabuild build as an example. It reduces all building upgrade times by 5 hours. That's a massive time saver, especially when you're building non-stop. Growth. This research focuses on improving resource production and gathering speed, giving you more wood, steel, and gold inside your base and from the world map. It also unlocks the secret stash camp order. Once you've maxed it, you can collect 14.5 days of resources using the secret stash daily. Palmon. Unlocking the 6th and 7th slots here is essential because it allows you to bring more Palmon into your squad, and more Palmon means a stronger team. Otherwise, you will be limited to 5 Palmon per squad. You'll also find research that enhances attack, defense, damage, and HP for a specific Palmon type. Armigo. Armigo research mainly improves your Armigo's attack, defense, HP, and load. Since you're bringing thousands of Armigo into battle, a slight boost in their attribute could significantly impact your squad. So yes, Armigo research can significantly enhance your squad. Squad 1 to 4. Squad research is available in 4 separate trees, one for each squad. Hunting expeditions are essential upgrades to fight against the NPC effectively. If you're struggling to win the fight with Bullymoon or other monsters, this research can help. The expanded squad allows your squad to carry more Armigo, increasing the squad's power. The last item call adds a 5% death rate to your enemy during PvP. That's helpful in the Saturday Guild Duel for getting more kill points. You should focus on the main squad upgrade before venturing into the second and third. Make your main squad as strong as possible first. Did you know the in-game bundle costs a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right, that's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lootify. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Guild Duel. Guild Duel is essential for mid to late gameplay. Unlocking all the chests in the Guild Duel can significantly speed up your overall progress in the game. These chests reward you with valuable items like Omni tokens and Evolution Essence, crucial to powering up your Palmon. If you can consistently unlock every chest in each Guild Duel, you'll outpace most free players in the server. Without the bonus point from this research, you will hardly score full points in Guild Duel. Airship Trading. The airship delivers many rare items but is also vulnerable to looting. This research line helps you reduce those losses by chance. For example, Full Throttle reduces trading time by up to 25%. Reducing the chance of getting looted. And Aegean gives you a 30% chance to spawn a special airship that can only be looted once. They lower your risks by chance rather than a guarantee. Super Armigo. It's very similar to the regular Armigo research, focusing on improving your Armigo's attack, defense, and HP. It also includes upgrades that boost your Palmon's damage and morale. But the real highlight here is the advanced training research. This is the one that unlocks the strongest Armigo in the game. Level 9 Armigo. However, you must upgrade your Armigo hut to level 30 to unlock this research. So, there's no shortcut here. Recommendation. The extra research queue can help you progress faster, but activating costs around $10. Get started by focusing on development first, especially the Quick Minds research. That's your foundation because it speeds up every other research you'll do later. Then, unlock the 6th and 7th Palmon slots from the Palmon research when available. They're cheap, fast, and make a big difference in your formations. After that, work on Squad 1 research to expand your Armigo capacity. More Armigo means stronger squads, and these upgrades don't take too long to finish. Next, move on to the Guild Duel research. It takes more time and resources, but it is worth it for long-term growth. Once that's done, continue the rest of the research as needed. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.